So, first step to build a 2-frequency dome is to get your little icosahedron. So, I mean, it's not hard to make this, but so now we click Alt-Shift and we reverse the selection. Here we have our icosahedron site. Let's put it on the origin. Let's make it a component. Ico face. Let's set the component axis like this. And done. Alright, now we're going to make a copy. We're going to open the component and we make a line here. It's 30 centimeters. That's too small because errors will add up. So I'm gonna take this again and make this 10 meters. Yes, please. Now it's really big. 10 meters is good. Is this a component? Yes, it is. So we want to work on this axis. Put it here. So we know that our radius is 10 meters. We open it up. We divide it into 2. Divide. Where's my divide? I don't. Here we go. Divide into 2. Divide into 2. All right. 10 meters. 10 meters here. 10 meters here. And 10 meters here, obviously. 10 meters here. And 10 meters here. And last one, 10 meters here. All right. Now what we want to do is we want to go out of the component because we're going to delete everything. So let's make a C point at vertex here and here, and let's see if it's purple like this. That means we are outside of the component. And never trace lines twice. That gets you into trouble. See here, I have to press escape. That's just how it is. Okay, so now we have this. Okay, this is 10 meters. So what I want really is this and not this. So somehow I need to get rid of it. Let's get rid of this one. Now I selected the component. I'm going to reverse the selection with Alt-Shift. Now I have only my little guide point and the faces. So let's take them back to here. Get rid of this and make this into a component. Ico face. We won't set any component axis. We want to overwrite the old one. Okay. Now let's make a copy. again. So I forgot to select my little guide point, or C point at vertex. It's very important to not forget it. And now we shrink it with this tool, the scale tool. And we want, see, this is not what we want, this is what we want. And on in the lower right corner you see 0.85, we want 0.8. Alright, good. Now we take this bad boy and we move it back here. Alright, now we need to decide on offsets. So what is the distance from here to here? 200 centimeters. So 200 centimeters, is that good? That's like 2 meters. So our offset, if we're gonna do for 2x1s, we're gonna use 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters. Boom. And delete that. We want 100 centimeters. Not so. Delete that. Again, let's try 100 centimeter. There we go. Alrighty. Now we wanna connect them. So we take our little, we start with GoodKarma. We want to do GoodKarma, and same here. Boom. This goes here. Alright, now I have done the middle one. Now this is called 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3. So this goes back here. Let's make it into a group. And now it's time to rotate. Actually, first we're going to make a copy, just in case. It's always good to have a copy if you mess something up. So let's see. We go here and here. Oh, I've got the wrong guy selected. Again, here. No. Again. No. Wrong again. Now. We want to go here. Now. We want to go here. And my laptop seems to be suffering. We want to go down here. Okay. Now we have them all. Let's make them into a group, because they are a group. Select the rotate tool again, lock the blue axis by pushing up, and find that spot here. Now times, I don't know how many times, times 2? No. How about times 3? Times 4? Times 4 was alright. Okay. And now that we have our little ball, we need to start making some lines. We need lines now, 3 by 3. You never know what this tool is doing. 1500, 1500, 1500. Okay, many times 1500. Let's do 1500. Apparently SketchUp likes 1500. Okay, now I have some lines. Where are my components? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. And we go in here. The blade tilt is this. Blue axis, 10.8 degrees is blade tilt. In this case, it tilts to the right, and we know that's not possible. We know it's not possible. Most blades tilt to the left. So let's flip this around. We want 90 degrees. So now it's tilting to the left. So we take this point and this point, and where's our blue axis? 10.8 to the left. You have to turn your table, your miter saw, like this, to the left, 30 degrees to the left. Boop. Okay, now you have 10.8 blade tilt and 30 degrees turned to the left. That will be your first cut. Once you are done with all your modeling, your model should look like this. Let me show you the dome here. It's right here somewhere. Here it is. So all these little hairs are really points that help me extract measurements later. If I rescale this strut, all these little sticky points, they change with it, and so do the measurements. So I can resize this whole thing fast. So back to a strut. Let's take an example. Let's take the green boy here, the Hulk. So many measurements similar to acetone. So the last thing that remains to be done is to actually show you 1-2 frequency geodesic dome. Here you still see the side of an icosahedron, and it's been divided into 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This makes it a 2 frequency geodesic dome and I want to show the author too, but it's not loading. It's Valeria. Let's like this. Good job.